Hello everyone, and I will teach you how to make a Five Nights at Freddy's fan game that is kinda like the joy of creation a little. So yeah. Now for a night thing, you're gonna want 5 costumes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, you also need a title screen. Which, for example, Five Nights at Kyle's. This is Kyle the Frog. Now you will make a load thing. I tried to put a tongue on it, but it would look too much like a gecko. But as you see, we will make a code screen. And as you see, we will do codes. Wait, what? Okay. I promise that I have, let's just say, no long noises. It's just a meow, pop, and of course another pop. But as you see, when flag clicked, go to that place that it's in. And I want to make it yellow and green because, you know, that's kind of what Kyle is. Yellow and green frog. Hang on. Hang on. Yep. Here we go. But this is basically a simple fan game. So, yeah. Come on! I just started it. Okay. We want to show, and when this sprite clicked, ask what code put in the code. Now, we'll do a little bit of something. Three, 4, 0, 8. That will be one of the codes. I will do a if else. Then broadcast to, for example. Now receive 2. And switch costume. Costume 2. See? Three, 9, 6, 408. And there we go. It'll change just like that. But that is going to be the night select. And I will do a little bit more, but you already have the code for night 2, so if you just watched this video, then you can immediately skip to night 2. But you will miss out on a little bit of story that way. But, hey, at least you got a little something. Well, bye everyone. See you in the next episode.